Alright, so we are going to try to determine if these two triangles are similar using the side angle side. I can get a pen here. The side angle side test. So we can see here that this angle right here is congruent to this angle right here because those are vertical angles. Anytime you have vertical angles, they're going to be congruent. So we know the angle's the same, so that part's taken care of. Now we need to check to see if the sides are proportional, if they have the same proportion or the same scale factor. So in order to do that, I am going to label one of the triangles triangle 1 and one of the triangles triangle 2. Now it doesn't matter which one you call 1 and 2, as long as you start with 1 each time. So I could have called this 2 and this 1, that would still work. But since I chose to call this one 1, I'm going to look for the longest side in triangle 1. So triangle 1 is triangle CDE. So the longest side here is 108 because 108 is bigger than 99. So I'm going to put 108 in a proportion with the longest side from triangle number 2. So triangle number 2's longest side is 60 because 60 is bigger than 55. So 108 and 60 are the longer sides. So I will do 108 divided by 60. Now because I labeled this one 1, I'm going to put all the sides from angle 1 on the top of my ratio. So I need to do another one. I've got 99 here, and I'm going to compare that, the shorter side, to the shorter side here, to 55. Now if these are equal, then I will know that these triangles are similar by side, angle, side. The way to check if they are equal is to get your calculator and turn them into a decimal. Or, alternatively, you could reduce the fractions. So in my calculator, I could either do 108 divided by 60, enter, and that tells me it is 1.8. And then for 99 divided by 55, I also get, if I hit enter, I get 1.8. So the decimal is exactly the same, which means, because those are equal, that the sides are proportional, and these are similar triangles by side, angle, side. And my marker's not working too well, but so they are similar by side, angle, side. And then because they're similar, I need to finish or complete this similarity statement. Now in the similarity statement, triangle C is going to be the same in both. So I'm trying to put these in the same order with the parts that correspond in this other triangle. So C is the same as C, so I would put C first. So then it goes to angle D. Notice here that angle C to angle D goes along the shorter side, right? 99 is smaller than 108. So when I'm trying to decide which one of these, B or W, to put next, I'm going to go the side of the smaller side length, so 55. So V is going to be the same as D in the other triangle, because C to D is the shorter side, and C to B is the shorter side, and then W would be my last one. Okay, let's try one more. So I think you have the same example on your paper. So on this one, again, I'm going to try using side, angle, side, because I have those vertical angles. And anytime I have vertical angles, they are, I'm trying to get my pen here. Anytime I have vertical angles, they are, again, congruent. So this angle and this angle are the same. So that's the angle part of side, angle, side. So the angle part checks out. We have a congruent angle. Now we need to check for the side and side part. So I'm going to, again, label one of my triangles, triangle 1, and one triangle 2. Again, it doesn't matter which one you call 1 and which one you call 2. It's just that you need to start with 1 each time. So from triangle 1, I'm going to take the longest side, which is right here. It's 28, and I'm going to put that on the top. Then I'm going to look at the other triangle, triangle 2, and find the longest side, which would be 14. So I'm going to put 28 over 14 for one of my ratios. And then for the other one, I'm going to put the shorter side, which is on triangle 1 is 14, so that one goes on the top. And I'm going to get the shorter side from the bottom here, 7, and I'm going to put that underneath. Then I'm checking to see if these are equal. So grab your calculator. 28 divided by 14 is equal to 2. And 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2 as well. So because they both have the same scale factor, they have the same ratio, 2, these are similar by side angle side. Now I can finish my similarity statement. So triangle CDE, that little squiggly line there means is similar to. So C, again, is the same angle in both triangles, so C would come first. Here C goes to D along the longer side. So in order to get the one that corresponds to D, I would need to go along the longer side of the other triangle. So 14 is the longer side, so U would be next. So CUT is similar to CDE.